Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be doing something really spooky. So you're probably thinking, what the heck are you doing today? Well, I got an answer for you. Today we're going to be doing 10 really cool and easy Halloween costumes for 2018. I do have a different setup. It's a totally different angle of my room that you guys have never seen. This is my kind of like gaming station, like my Xbox 360. Yes, I'm old. 2000, oh my gosh. My PS4 and my Wii, because I'm old school. And so that's what all this is right here. That is my dance setup too, so that's pretty cool. Yeah. I'm going to be showing this right here to address you guys, and then I'm going to be showing that angle, which is my mirror, which you can probably see me talking and stuff. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how it looks over there, because obviously my room is pretty small, so I can't show you like my full outfit. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys 10 really easy and cool Halloween costumes, so let's get right into it. In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama knows. My like biker slash, I guess if you watch Riverdale, serpent kind of outfit. Black leggings. I have the serpent jacket that I got from Hot Topic, and of course like a normal kind of t-shirt type thing. So yeah, that's my first outfit that is totally rocking and ready for Halloween. You boy. In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama knows. So the next look is this nerd, kind of like gamer kind of thing. I love these little ponytails, they're so cute. They look pretty bad, but I tried my best. But yeah, so this is like the nerd look. I got my plaid shirt on, my hair in little pigtails. I couldn't find the nerd glasses I have. I don't know where they are, but whatever. So this looks really cute. I think it's very easy. Like usually a lot of people have plaid shirts or just any kind of thing like that. So yeah, that's my nerdy outfit. It's pretty much just literally pigtails, this plaid shirt, leggings, and then you can wear Converse, which I actually wore this one last year, but it's a classic and I can't get over it. In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama knows. So this next look is called the Lazy Sunday / Lazy Librarian. I put a little Halloween pencil in my hair. I did a bun, kind of like a little loose sweater, because I think that's literally what all librarians wear. This is really comfortable, because usually where I live it's kind of chilly on Halloween night, so if you're going to go trick-or-treating, this is very cozy, cute, fun, lazy. It's really easy. Like, this is like last minute costume. It looks really cool, so if you guys like this, then give it a big thumbs up. So it's literally just my hair is in a little bun with a little pencil in it, big O sweater with leggings, and you can wear boots or anything you really want to wear, or Uggs, because it's probably gonna be like really cold, but you know, whatever. In the morning when the sun starts to rise, so mama knows. So this next costume is called the Crazy Cat Lady, what I like to call. So I got this messy gray shirt with the layers and this really kind of open sweater type thing, with of course a Halloween cat that does this. Excuse me. Yes. It's perfect. Like, so yeah, this is my, okay, that's kind of creepy. Okay. But anyway, it's the crazy cat lady look, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the other view. So this is pretty much my outfit. Most people have this outfit in their closet aside from the actual cat. Pretty pretty much like a double layered shirt with the loose sweater and the pants, and you can wear any kind of shoes that you want. Really, you can do dress this up or dress this down anywhere you please. So this is my last look. I know that I said I was gonna do 10 really cool and easy Halloween costumes for 2018. But change of plans. So the last look we're doing is just kind of like pretty normal, like a happy Halloween shirt, crazy skeleton matching necklace and bracelet that I got at, like, I think bargain hunt, I think, or maybe, I can't remember, but anyway, so I'm gonna call this look the Mama Next Door. I don't even know. I look like I could have 12 kids and be handing out candy on Halloween. Trick or treat, there you go, there you go, there you go. So, yeah. Happy Halloween, guys. So cute. I have these little skeleton jewelry that I'm gonna be wearing, and this really cool Halloween shirt, and these leggings, of course, because I love leggings literally so much, so don't come at me for that one. But yeah. That is all I have for you guys today, and while my bun is falling out now. Okay. Give it a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. This was the second or third video in my Spooktober series. I'm super glad to be continuing this in October. I want to thank everybody for being there with me since day one. To me, it's not about numbers, it's just about me doing what I like to do and showing it to other people, and me just kind of being my weird, not funny self. So I mean, if you enjoyed this, please make sure to subscribe and give it a big thumbs up, because my ego. For another Spooktober video. Bye!